Welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here with a fragrance review for you for Flowerbomb Tiger Lily by Viktor Rolf. This fragrance is such a phenomenal fragrance. I love this. This is another one that I have a cutesy little sample to, but I most certainly will be buying the full bottle of it. And the flanker is super cute too, by the way. This fragrance is more of a tropical, fruity, white floral, coconutty fragrance. This is amazing. It's definitely giving very girly. I'm thinking daytime, springtime, summertime is giving that vibe. You can easily wear it to the office and also nicely on like a vacation. This is definitely giving vacation vibes. I'm gonna go ahead, I have it already out. So what we're gonna do is open up our little sample box. God, I didn't mean to rip it like that. This is what the bottle looks like, which is pretty much what most of their bottles look like. You get scent notes of tiger lily, coconut milk, and mango. But what you're gonna smell first, honestly, is gonna be the mango and the coconut milk. That's definitely what's gonna be hitting you first. There's also bergamot, jasmine, and benzoin in there as well, but those other three notes are pretty much what you're gonna smell for the longevity of the fragrance. This fragrance has phenomenal sillage. When you spray it, believe me, you're gonna be able to smell her within, I wanna say even further than that bubble, that 6-foot bubble around your body. You're going to be able to smell it even further than that. It has phenomenal projection, and longevity of the fragrance lasts quite a bit. So this was my little sample bottle that I got because I got a bunch of these in the mail from Macy's, and I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and try this out. And because of these samples, this is definitely something that I would be buying. If you love fragrance reviews and all the girly things, scents, and beauty tips and tricks, I welcome you to right now stop what you're doing and join the fragrance family. I want to see you come back to another video. Pass go. I need you to go ahead and subscribe right now.